What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to run through a portable and modular motion control system. Stay tuned! Welcome back guys. If you like shooting time lapses or do a lot of studio work, a motion control system can make a real difference to your workflow. Choosing a motion control system can be complicated. Fortunately, Edelkrone has been in the business of simplifying the tech. And with their recent revamp, we decided to try their latest generation of products. Edelkrone's motion control systems are modular, so you can build it up as you go along. First, we have the support systems. That's the Flex Tilt Head 2, the Quick Release 1, and the Stand 1. And then we have the motion systems. That's the SliderONE V2 and the DollyONE, both capable of repeating linear motion. And while the DollyONE can provide additional curve track motion, it can only be used on smooth surfaces. The SliderONE V2 offers 8 inches of travel and can be used on tabletop and tripod setups. And to finish off the kit, we have the new HeadONE. With one unit, you can add a panning axis, and with another HeadONE and a tilt kit, you get your 3 axis. To power the kit, we use standard Canon LP E6 batteries. All units are now controlled via a single new app that adapts to whichever combination you put together. Unfortunately, the latest generation of products are not compatible with the previous generations of Surface One, SliderONE Pro, and Motion Box. There's been a total redesign of hardware and software for the latest generation. The good news is that if you're the owner of the previous generation, Edelkrone does offer free upgrade programs depending on the setup that you have. And that's the entire kit. Now let's run through the various setups that we can get. Let's go! Overall, I'm really enjoying using this system. Being extremely modular, I can get creative with the shots I want to get. And the integrated time-lapse and stop-motion feature is definitely something I'll be exploring more. The new consolidated app with key poses has been very useful, and I look forward to experimenting more with their time and motion whopper. I've also been using their stop-motion feature, which still needs a little bit more work. So there you have it guys, the Edelkrone motion control system. That's it from Fan of Tech today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for joining us, and if you're not, remember to hit the subscribe and notification bell to hear about a new video. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.